A is for apple, A is for ant, A is for aeroplane, A is for alligator, B is for ball, B is for bird, B is for banana, B is for butterfly, C is for cat, C is for car, C is cake, C is for cow, D is for dog, D is for duck, D is for doll, D is for drum, E is for elephant, E is for egg, E is for engine, E is for eagle, F is for fish, F is for frog, F is for fan, F is for fire, G is for goat, G is for grapes, G is for guitar, G is for gloves, H is for hat, H is for house, H is for horse, H is for heart, I is for ice, I is for igloo, I is for insect, I is for ink, J is for jam, J is for jug, J is for jellyfish, J is for jeep, K is for kite, K is for kangaroo, K is for key, K is for king, L is for lion, L is for leaf, L is for lamp, L is for lemon, M is for monkey, M is for mango, N is for moon, N is for milk, N is for nest, N is for nose, N is for nut, N is for net, O is for owl, O is for orange, O is for octopus, O is for oven, P is for penguin, P is for parrot, P is for pumpkin, P is for pencil, Q is for queen, Q is for quilt, Q is for quail, Q is for question, R is for rabbit, R is for rainbow, R is for rocket, R is for rose, S is for sun, S is for snail, S is for star, S is for shark, T is for train, T is for tiger, T is for tomato, T is for table, U is for umbrella, U is for unicorn, U is for up, U is for under, V is for violin, V is for band, V is for bass, B is for vegetables, W is for welding, V is for watch, W is for watermelon, L is for wind, X is for xylophone, X is for x-ray, X is for Xmas, X is for X marks, Y is for yarn, Y is for yogurt, Y is for jellyfish, J is for yellow, Z is for zebra, C is for zoo, C is for zipper, C is for zero. L is for owl, learn and play, A to Z in a fun-filled way.